In a world where time is malleable and 1 second can stretch into 100 years, a young scientist stands at a precipice of innovation, holding a device that challenges the boundaries of reality. The narrative opens with a black screen, setting a mysterious tone that hooks the audience's curiosity. Suddenly, white text fades in, posing a thought-provoking question. What if 1 second lasted 100 years? Accompanied by a low electronic pulse and a time warp hum, the scene creates an aura of suspense and allure. Within a flash, the protagonist, a young scientist, emerges in a high-tech laboratory, a glowing time device held firmly in his hands. Anxiety paints his features as he glances around the futuristic lab, conveying his apprehension about the experiment's outcome. He whispers to himself, "Just 1 second. Let's test it." The tension mounts as he cautiously adjusts the settings, the device pulsating with a blue glow that causes the room to vibrate. Suddenly, an intense whoosh sound signifies the leap through time. The vibrant lab transforms into ruins, crawling with nature's invasion, frozen in time. The scene surprises both the protagonist and the audience, as the scientist stands amidst the dilapidated remnants of his lab. His disbelief is audible in his whisper, "No way! It worked!" The scene evolves as he steps outside, confronting a world altered beyond recognition. The destroyed city stretches before him, immersed in an orange-hued sky, reverberating with wind and metallic hums. The protagonist, dwarfed by the magnified devastation, captures the essence of the lonely aftermath. A voiceover echoes, "1 second, 100 years gone," reinforcing the magnitude of this temporal journey. As the scientist grapples with the changed world, danger lurks. From the sky, a mechanical drone emerges, scanning with ominous red lights. A shrill alarm disrupts the stillness as the drone locks its sights on the panicked protagonist. He bolts, adrenaline coursing through his veins as his breathing becomes ragged. The chase sequence unfolds with frantic camera shakes and rapid cuts, painting urgency and risk. Lasers bombard the broken bridge he crosses, ushering explosions and metallic debris that litter his path. The scientist stumbles, loses the device that bears hope and reality. His pulse races, his determination unwavering as he snatches the device back, only to confront its fading energy. A flash alerts him. Battery 1%. Fear etches onto his face as the drone closes the distance, red lights casting ominous reflections. In a desperate bid, the scientist presses the button. Time flashes, everything fades to white. Silence engulfs the scene, leaving only the glowing device to hint at the remnants of an untold journey. Where did the scientist go? Heartbeats steeped in anticipation pulse in the background before nothingness prevails. Text fades in, succinctly concluding, "To be continued."